Hey everyone, want to build project workflows in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to create efficient workflows that help your team manage projects from start to finish step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, choose the *space* where you want to build your workflow. Then create a folder or list for your project if needed. Now define the stages of your workflow by creating custom task statuses. I mean, you can use stages like to do in progress review waiting and completed to match your team's process. Next, create tasks for each project activity and assign them to the appropriate team members. Add due dates, priorities, subtasks, checklists, and attachments so every task contains the information needed to complete the work. Use custom fields and tags to track details such as project type, client, budget, or approval status. Switch to the board view to move tasks through each workflow stage visually, or use list calendar timeline or Gantt views to monitor progress in different ways. Next, set task dependencies and relationships to make sure work happens in the correct order and important tasks are not missed. Review your workflow regularly, update task statuses, and adjust your process as your projects and team grow. Finally, save your workflow as a template if you plan to reuse the same project structure for future work. And that's how to build project workflows in ClickUp. With customized statuses, organized tasks, and the right project views, you can create a workflow that keeps your team productive and your projects running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.